Mark says, I was wondering if you have some top clear GMB ranking strategies that are safe to implement. Yeah, post content, do Google Business Posts, upload photos often. If it's a service area business, take photos. Every time any technician from the company, or it might not be a technician, whatever the company does, if it's a service area business, whenever they go to the customer location, snap 3 to 10 photos. I always say 3 to 5 typically. Snap 3 to 5 photos from every single job location and upload them directly to the Google Maps profile. Anybody can upload photos to a Google Maps profile, guys, a Google business profile. Anybody can, right? You just go to Google Maps, search for the company, pull up the listing, and then you can click add photos. Anybody can do that. So anybody at the company can take photos if it's a service area business out on the job sites and then upload them to the GBP. Do that consistently. And you'll see that that will influence what Google understands about that business. It doesn't happen overnight, but it works really well for service area businesses when they're consistent with it. Number 2, get reviews. Get reviews. Make sure that your client or your business, whatever it is constantly getting reviews from clients. Make it a priority to have a review collection campaign and system in place, a process in place, right? If you have past customers that never got asked for a review, if you got a list, plug it into a review generation service campaign. High level's great for that stuff, guys, right? So reviews, photos, publishing content, make sure the GBP is fully optimized. Make sure your website that is connected to is optimized well, which that's where I see the biggest issue right now for GBP ranking is that they are connected to websites that are optimized like it was 2020. And that is what's causing so many GBP's performance to suck right now. It's because they're linked to over-optimized websites because there's a lot of local business sites out there using outdated tactics that the helpful content update specifically addressed, really. So again, all those things matter, but specifically to try to get the GBP to perform better, the 2 things that I found to be the most valuable, most important, well, and really the third thing is the website. But number 1 is getting reviews consistently and responding to those reviews properly. Because that shows Google that you're responsive to the business is responsive to the customers, but it also gives the opportunity to inject keywords and or location mentions into the replies of the reviews. So you get to add more relevance to the GBP by collecting more reviews and then replying to those reviews and inserting keywords about products and services and or locations about where those products or services were delivered, all of that into the GBP, and then uploading photos that are taken from out within the service area if it's a service area business, right? Do that consistently. And then again, the self-hosted site that it's linked to should be optimized to proper local SEO standards today, which is significantly different than it was even 3 or 4 years ago. And that's where I see the biggest issue, honestly. All right.